My wishes for her is that she and her husband, they will be on top.
Yes, ma'am.
The husband is going to be the president of this Nigeria.
Amen.
Vicky happens to be an industry colleague, that's Nollywood, and she is someone I see where she's going. She's very driven, she's a go-getter. I was telling Emeka yesterday, I'm like, you watch IGBO market, you have a ride or die. She's that woman that would always make a difference in a man's life, I believe. And for that, I'm here to support her. Emeka also happens to be a younger brother to someone I grew up with, from primary through secondary school, and university as well. So both of the couple I know, in a good way. So I wish them a blissful union as they take this bold step into this journey. They will not stumble. They would always grow from strength to strength. And everything they wish upon themselves, they will get. I wish them a happy union.
Weddings are good, but longevity in marriage takes a lot of hard work. You see, marriage for me now management, okay? And like I warned him, I hope you're not inviting me to a wedding that in the next 5 years, you go invite me to come settle Wahala, The thing that gives you longevity in marriage is friendship, a lot of friendship, a lot of communication, good communication, and that will take you a distance, and mutual respect.
I've known Victoria for well over 14 years. She's an amazing person. We went to the same secondary school, so I have a lot of very hilarious memories about her, and I'm excited to share in her joy today. It's so beautiful to see someone whom I have looked up to for a while now come to be with the love of her life, going into a new phase of life. It's so beautiful, and I wish you greatness in this new journey. I wish you a beautiful home filled with love, peace, joy, beautiful kids, and I pray that you enjoy every bit of it. Thank you so much. I love you.
Ugochukwu meleze ifo bubu nkili emenu mana ife chukwu kwuru ga-eme
Big Monster.
Original Mr. Flavor party dancer.